All right, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made $133,298 over the course of 10 months, even though I worked exactly 0 minutes. I really worked 0 minutes, and I want to show you that. We've been talking in this series about how to build a long-term affiliate marketing business and build a residual income long-term. Now, one of the key things to making residual income, that means income that keeps coming month after month after month, whether you work or not, is locked inside of something that almost nobody talks about. And if they do, it's like the last thing that they talk about. And even I'm talking about this in the last video of this series, but I truly believe that it may be the most important key into creating a residual income that will pay you for years and years and years and years and years into the future, whether you continue to work or not on your affiliate marketing business. And that is community. When you are building your affiliate marketing business, if you build around tools and products and services that already have an existing community in place where people absolutely love to be there, and it may seem weird to think that, like, oh, well, people don't really get, they don't become a fan over a tool or, this service or this product. People would become raving fans of anything. It doesn't matter if it's a software or a service or a product or a tool or whatever. There are people who become raving fans because of how the owners of the company or the founders of the company have structured their business around community first. So when you are looking for, a tool or a product or a service or anything to promote as an affiliate, look for places that have amazing communities where there are groups where people go and they talk about it, where people are buying, the merchandise and the swag. They want the T-shirt. They want the stickers for their laptop. They are downloading the images for screensavers on their phone. That people absolutely love to be a part of the community as much as they love the tools, the products, the services, or whatever the thing is that you are recommending, because that is the ultimate stick factor. When people absolutely love to be in a place and they love to be in a community and they don't want to leave, even if they stop using whatever the thing is, they don't want to leave because they don't want to leave the community that they are a part of. People want to be a part of a group, of a community, of a group of people who are like them, who think like them, who do things like them, who are interested in the same things as them. They want to be in a place with those people. They want to be in a place where they are treated really, really well. And so community is this secret glue that will hold your residual income together for your affiliate marketing business. And, an example from my own business, I was actually a member of a community that taught people how to build businesses online. It provided the tools, and it had an amazing community of people, a community so strong that I had actually built up a customer. I built up a customer list in this business. I had a customer following who really loved the products. They loved the training, and they loved the services. But I totally exited my entire business for 10 full months. I didn't, interact with my customers. I didn't send any emails. I didn't do anything at all in my business. I literally took 10 full months off, and I still made $133,298 in that business because the community was so amazing. It did such a good job of, taking care of my customers. It did a good job of making sure that they were trained. It did a good job of making sure that they knew where to find everything. It did a good job of answering questions. It did a good job of just keeping people plugged into the community. It had events. It had groups that people could go to. It just had incredible community. Everything that you would want in a community. It had love. It had support. It had people of the same sort of vision, wanting to do the same things, and they just treated the people really, really well. Made them feel loved. Made them feel good. And at the end of those 10 months, even though I did absolutely nothing, I still had brought in $133,298 just from bringing, customers in and then, doing absolutely nothing. So no matter what you're promoting, when you are deciding what to recommend to people in your affiliate marketing business, and especially if you want to create a long-term residual income in your affiliate marketing business, what sort of community do they have? Do they have, groups where people can hang out in? Do they have chats? Do they do live events? Do they do, live online events? Are they constantly interacting with their people? Are they training them? Are they making sure once they get the product, a tool, or the service, they know how to use it? Are they, really, really good at support? Are they answering the questions of your customers? Because otherwise, if you bring in a customer, to anything, a product, tool, community, service, whatever, if they aren't getting their questions answered, if they aren't feeling welcome, if they feel lost when they get there, they're not going to stay. But if they get there, and when they get there, they're welcomed. When they get there, all of their questions are answered. When they get there, there's a fast start that walks them through exactly what to do with their product or tool or their service to get the result that they want. And if they're having events, and if they've got swag and people want to buy that swag, they want the t-shirt, they want the coffee mug, they want the sticker, they want everything. They're downloading the manifestos to their phone and everything else. If you can find a place like that, that is what is the ultimate stick factor in your affiliate marketing business. That's what will allow you to create a long-term residual income, whether you keep any sort of connection to that company at all, whether you stay connected to that product, that service, that tool, or whatever. If there is a strong community that makes people want to stay there, and that supports them, and that guides them, and that loves them, that is going to keep people around longer than anything else that you can absolutely do in your business, because people want connection. People want community. They want to feel welcome. They want a place where they belong. They want a place where they can go to on a daily basis, where it makes them feel good, where they're around people that make them feel good, and products and services that make them feel good, that they're getting their questions answered, that they always know what to do. Community will give you all of those things, and again, is the ultimate stick factor in your business. And so this is the last video in this short little mini series of how to build a long-term affiliate marketing business that has amazing residual income, so you can get recurring income month after month after month after month, whether you work or not, which is the ultimate goal in building a freedom business. If you want to know more, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video, share this video, drop me a comment, let me know how you like this. And if you want to connect with me more, if you want to connect with an amazing community of people, if you are interested in building a business online, and you want the tools, you want the training, you want personal help, you want personal mentoring, you want an amazing community that will support you 24/7, that has chats, that has groups, that has live events, that has live online events, that actually has 11 live events every single week to plug into to help you get the results that you want. If that's what you want to do, if you want to build an amazing affiliate marketing business and you want a community to help you do it, there's a link in the description, so go ahead and follow that. It'll give you all of the details. But otherwise, thanks for watching this video. Again, like this video, subscribe, comment if you want to do any of those things, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.